be really nice for us to make some dream catchers, because lots of us might be having worries in our mind at the moment. It might be really busy, so I thought it would be good to make one, pop it on your door, and it can capture any worries you have. Start by cutting a piece of string and tying it around your bangle by making a loop so that you can later hang it up on your door. Next, cut a long piece of string so that you can use this to create your web. Secure the string to the top of the bangle using a double knot. Make sure that it's really tight so that it doesn't move. Work clockwise around the bangle. Place the string over the top a couple of centimetres away and then pull the string back through the hole. Make sure you pull the string really tight as you go and continue to do this until you have reached around the bangle. Inside you will now see the shape of a hexagon. Continue the same process, but using the centre of each side of the hexagon. Use your fingers to hold the string in the centre and pull tight. To make it easier, make a small loop and poke it through the semicircle to help you pull it through. Make sure you keep pulling the string tight each time. Continue with this pattern until you can no longer do so. After that, use the same method as at the start to create dangly string at the bottom. And finally, use your glue to apply any decoration you wish. If you have any beads lying around, they would look great at this moment. Previously, I've used an old bracelet and recycled the beads from it. Spare buttons also work really well. And if you happen to have any arts and craft feathers lying around, they would look perfect. Or you could be a super eco warrior and cut feathers out of soft plastic. And there you have it, a dream catcher to capture all of those worries. I really hope you enjoy making lots of dream catchers, capture all those worries, make yours really interesting, use lots of beads, sequins, whatever you can find. I personally love making dream catchers, so I've added a few examples of other ones I've made in the past at the end of this video, so I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you soon.